How to hide caller ID on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to hide caller ID on iPhone. So, let's begin. The very first step that I would like you to do is to make sure first that you have the updated version of your iOS. So, to do that, simply go to Settings first and then go to General. So click on General and look for Software Update. Once you're in Software Update, simply click on it, wait for it to load, and make sure also that you are connected to an internet. So you may be connected through a Wi-Fi or to your mobile data. Once you're here, make sure to download and install the latest version of the iOS. And then, let's say for example that you have done that already. What you're going to do now is to simply look for the phone setting on settings. So simply click on phone right here and scroll down and look for the show my color ID button. So click on show my caller ID and then wait for it to load. And then once you're right here, what you're going to do is to simply click on this toggle button right here on the rightmost part of the show my caller ID option. So click on the toggle button and then make sure that the toggle button will turn to the left or will turn into gray and not green, which will indicate that the caller ID will be hidden. So again, click on this button and then that's it. That's how you can hide caller ID on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.